So here's a little tour of my workshop here. Shelves are kind of messy, not quite organized. Stuff on the pegboard back there. More pegboard. Workbench is a little messy. I was working on some stuff, so I gotta clean that up still. There's storage underneath there. Got my chop saw. Impact drivers. Drill. Cordless circular saw. Other saws and levels and pry bars. And this red cabinet here. You got like oils, hand cleaners, that kind of stuff. And then down here, the big metal box. What have we got? You see there, power tools, saws, and other tools like that. Another drill. Shop vac. Gotta have a chair. Messy shelves. I got a router table there. Down there in that box it says Craftsman. That's another drill and saw. Little stereo. Bench grinder. Jigsaws, drills, Dremel. That's about it. You got over here, you turn that switch off. Right here. And that will turn off the light. That's right there. That's the light. You just turn that switch back on. And then that will turn that back on. Which that's plugged in right over here. And then we got another extension cord that runs all the way over here. I need to buy another power strip. And this is the battery charging station. Got all the chargers. That's about it. Bin to organize stuff. I got more organization over there. And I got my little cabinet right here. I put in behind the pegboard. And it's a cabinet with just some stuff, tape, pop rivet, or that kind of stuff. Some drill bits and screwdriver bits. Another just toolbox, lawnmower. Got a fridge. That's some of the landscaping stuff there. That was just a cool bag. Oh yeah, I can't forget we got the fan. And I'll show you some more about that here. You come over here. Another cabinet. And the fan is on a pulley. Well, that's about it.